channel, man. If this your first time watching my videos and you like the video after you get through watching it, bro, subscribe to the channel, man. Show love to the channel. Show positivity and hospitality to the channel, man. But today, man, we got the Creedence. Have you ever seen the rain? Now, people was like, you like all types of music. You like all types of videos. You gotta go check this out. They told me that this was fire. You feel me? They said, yo, you really gonna like this. You gonna mess with it. You really gonna rock with it. So, here I am. Gonna check it out. See what it sounds like. See if it's hot. See if it's not. And if it's not, I'm gonna let you know straight up that this ain't hot. And it ain't for me. But let's check this out, man. Okay.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so let's say.
Yo, I hear some soul in that, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I hear some soul in that. That is a soulful voice right there, man. Which one of them is it? Which one of them guys is it? Cause it's like it's four of them. Yeah, four of them. Which one is it with that voice? You feel me? That voice special. You feel me?
It'll rain a sunny day, I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, been that way for all my time. Feel forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know it can't stop. I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down sunny day. Yeah, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down sunny day.
Hey! Yo! Hey! Clap it up for the Creedence. Was it Creedence? I think it was Creedence. Hey, clap it up, bruh. Listen, I love hearing talented people do talented things. I cannot make it up. The voice, spectacular. That voice is just so much life, so much soul, so much everything. That voice is just, whichever one of them dudes it was, special. Special with it. Amazing song. 10 out of 10 for me. A+. The instruments, it's just like I don't know, bro. Like I just felt everything. It's like I'm just feeling everything with that song. Amazing song, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That get an A+ out of me. But man, if you're new to the channel and you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Show love to the channel. Show positivity to the channel, man. And I'm out, dog.